Channel, everyone. If you don't know who I am, I'm Mike, and today we're going to talk about the one thing that matters: size. Now let's talk tires. Everyone doesn't know where to find their tire size. Click on the card above. It'll take a link to previous video showing you where to find it. We're going to break this down and keep it to the basic first section of the tire size, and we'll leave the extras for a whole nother video. So the tire size example we have today is going to be a 215/65 R17. Like, sometimes you'll see a P in front of that, sometimes you won't, standing for passenger rated tire. So this is going to be for a basic car. This particular tire size is for a Mustang. Your 215 is going to be your section width. So what that means is, from the sidewall to sidewall of your tire, it is 215 millimeters wide. Slash, this is divider, 65. 65% of your first number, the 215, is going to give you your sidewall height, or your aspect ratio is what it's actually, the term is. Your sidewall height. The larger the number, the bigger the sidewall. The shorter number, the shorter the sidewall of the tire is. The next part of our tire size is going to be the letter R. R, most people believe, stands for rim, which is incorrect. It actually stands for radial, telling you it is a radial ply tire. And the last two digits, 17, are going to be your rim diameter, the opening itself that your rim goes into. It can be called wheel diameter, is the actual term for it. Rim diameter is usually what it's referred to as, so the overall rim size, the hole in the middle. There's a lot of information that goes with it that you can plus or minus. Tire size is set for every vehicle. There's a lot of options on some vehicles, and some vehicles have very little options to play with these numbers. Knowing this number really helps. You can play with this number a little bit to get a slightly wider tire or slightly taller tire, but it depends on your vehicle to make sure they don't rub when you turn or hit the fenders when you hit a bump. So when we take our first number, 215, if we made it a 255, now that tire is going to be much wider in width than this tire size that we have here. Now if we were to take that same size as 215/55 and make that second number a little bit smaller, now the sidewall of our tire is going to get shorter, which is generally for more performance cars. So if you guys learned something here today, big thumbs up and subscribe. If you don't, appreciate it for watching the video all to the end. Catch you guys later.